In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up black background in TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, your charts will have a clean, dark look that's easier on the eyes and great for focusing on price action. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, click the official TradingView link titled Track All Markets. This takes you to the homepage. From here, open the Products menu to access the charting platform. Once the chart loads, we'll make all of our visual changes from within the chart itself. On the chart area, right-click anywhere to bring up the context menu. Choose Settings. This opens the chart settings window, which is where all the appearance controls live. In the left-hand panel, go to the Canvas section. Canvas controls the background of your chart and the elements that sit on top of it. Click Background. You'll see options to set it as solid or gradient. If you want a pure black look, choose solid, then pick a deep black or a slightly softer charcoal, depending on your preference. If you prefer a bit of depth, choose gradient and use darker tones at both ends for a subtle fade that still reads as a black themed chart. Take a moment to tune the exact shade. Too light can reduce the benefit of a dark theme, while an ultra black might make other elements harder to see. Next, adjust the items layered on top of the background so they remain visible against black. Select grid lines and choose a color and opacity that are faint enough not to distract but still visible when you need alignment. A soft gray often works well here. Then select crosshair and set a color that pops on black. A light gray or a muted accent color keeps it noticeable without being harsh. Choose watermark to adjust the symbol or time frame label that appears behind your candles. Lower the opacity and pick a color that stays readable without competing with price. Move to text to ensure axis labels, scale values, and other annotations are high contrast and easy to read. Finally, review lines and other drawing elements, matching them to your new theme so trend lines, indicators, and drawings remain clear. When everything looks right, click OK to apply your changes. Your TradingView chart now runs on a crisp black background with balanced visibility. If something feels too bright or too dim during your session, revisit Settings, Canvas, and the related appearance options and make small tweaks until it fits your workflow perfectly.